Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, Technical Trader. It's Monday, October 4th. These are the charts of the day. The week started out on a down note, but there's still a lot of stocks that are looking good, and particularly some of the natural resource stocks, gold, silver, oil, etc. A couple of them, including AUMN here, you'll see gold and minerals, as it recently exploded, moved from the 8 to the 21 range just in the last 3 weeks. A strong trend underway, may not be done. Looking for something in the mid-20s short term. BSDM, a big day today, and popped out of this little wedge that it formed, jumping 25% on 3 million shares. That's the biggest volume it's traded since the big pop here in August, and looks like it may be headed higher. We got a target around $5. Complete Production Services, CPX, had a good day today, broke out of a trading range, jumped 98 cents on 2.7 million shares, heaviest volume in about 3 weeks. And is now up and away above its multi-year highs, at least 2 years now, going back to mid-year of '08. Next trading target on this stock is up around 28, 28 and a half. EBIX, current favorite of ours, remember the top 25. Today broke out of a 3-day little flag, popping 55 cents. Not a lot of not a big percentage move, but perhaps the beginning of a move that takes it out of this flag and moves it up towards our trading target around 27. GORO, another gold stock, which had moved up nicely from the 13 range up to about the 19 range in early September, then went into a nice bull coil for 2 weeks, broke out, pulled back and retested, and then today gapped up, jumped $1.70 or 9% on the heaviest volume we've seen in this stock since it's gone public in January. So more upside may be coming. Looks like a trading target up around 23.5, 24 is warranted. Harvest Natural Resources. Last week gapped and ran, and it's been in a beautiful little pennant for 4 days now. I wanted to point that out to you as it may result in an upside surge and a trading target of 12.5. Isilon Systems announced that they may be looking to sell the company. The stock jumped at one point up about 3 1/4. It closed up 205 at up about 9% on 3.6 million shares. That's the heaviest volume on Isilon as far back as we can see, even to '06. So heaviest volume perhaps in its history, approaching all-time high territory up around 28, our short-term target. Medquist MEDQ had a real big breakaway gap on Friday and followed through nicely with another gap today. This stock has strong momentum and looks like it may result in reaching a target around 14.5. MIPS Technologies, MIPS, has been a beautiful rising channel, which accelerated from this rising channel. And currently, the stock is holding up in a very nice high-level flag. If broken to the upside, look for a run that takes this to the 11.5, 12 zone. QUIK Logic, broke out of a nice base pattern, pulled back, and then spiked up before forming this current 6-day bull flag or pennant. And looks like this is headed for the top of the long-term channel up around $8 or an immediate-term target. Rare Elements, beautifully consolidating in this zone here after running a week and a half ago. Backed off, and now it had a very quiet day today, down 15 cents, but the overall pattern looked so good I wanted to point it out to you guys and let you know that I'm looking at 11.5, 3/4 as a trading target on REE. Lastly today is ZAG, Z-A-G-G. ZAG has been in a nice rising channel since the May-June lows and up against key resistance but consolidating nicely in this zone. A break here could lead to a quick pop that gets it up to my next trading target up around 7. And that's it for today. Have a good evening.